Here you can see our extension of our Picomig family, our Picomig 220 and our Picomig 225, both available in the pulse and synergic version, and this is what today's video is about. Let's start with what's new. As you can see, obviously our new control panel that's leaned on our XQ design and is equipped with our easy-to-use click wheel. Due to our robust and construction site suitable housing, you are prepared for all eventualities, and furthermore, both machines are available in the gas-cooled version. For the perfect wire feed, we have installed a 4-roll wire drive in each of the units, as you can see on our e-feed in the Picomig 225. In the smaller Picomig 220, you have space for a 5 kg spool, and in the bigger Picomig 225, you have space for a 15 kg spool. We have expanded the scope of our job list. That means in the standard as well as in the pulse area, a lot of new jobs are available for you. Both welding machines are connected with a standard Schuko plug, and furthermore, we installed a PFC, a power factor correction, which allows you to take the power from the mains even more efficiently. Our entire Picomig series, which has been supplemented by these two devices, are multi-process welding machines. That means that you can not only use Mig jobs and processes, that you can furthermore use MMA welding and TIG welding. For each and every welding task, we have the right trolley, and you can combine them complete freely. To complete your welding task even more perfectly and comfortably, there's a lot of equipment available for both machines, for the Picomig 225 and for the Picomig 220. Our Picomig 220 is also available as a set in the versions Pulse or Synergic. All torches of the series PM, UM and MT are available in the standard version for both welding machines. With our new Picomig series, consisting of the Picomig 220 and the Picomig 225, you are well prepared for every welding task.